A video of a young man from the Guys Hill High School in St. Mary revealing his living condition went viral on social media. Our reporter Cody and Barrett visited the family yesterday morning, and as we'll hear in this report, there was an outpour of support.
My name is Delano and I am a student of the Guys Hill High School.
Within a day of this video being posted online, it went viral. A two-bedroom board structure, open to weather elements, and an outdoor kitchen and bathroom. A story familiar to many Jamaicans. The video has garnered over 100,000 views and counting.
You tell me say it got big, but me was in a thing say just jeer me and thing.
Within 2 days, this was the situation at young Delano's home on Ash Wednesday. When our news team arrived, it was already swarmed with people. And more people began rolling in, some with gifts and others to lend support.
What we are here to do is really to assess what the need is, to ensure that the donations are perhaps structured to see what are the channels that can be established, to ensure that everybody with good intentions are not chipping over each other.
We wanted to make sure that the environment becomes conducive for anybody who comes in can work on what we have established.
From perishable items all the way to blocks to lay foundation, Delano's touching story has led to his family receiving the help that he needs. But when we spoke to his mother, she said she had no idea the video would have went so viral.
I didn't want to say anything about it, and I was wondering why they came. But I realized it was for our good. Because sometimes you have to let people know your situation so there can be changes and you get help. And maybe me myself can end up help someone else.
Delano expressed how he felt about the outpouring support.
Excited, but I kind of get tired now because every minute me answer the phone, but it's just good things when I complain, but I never know something that will go so big.
As for his career wishes to become an agriculture inspector, promises have been made by both the Agriculture Ministry and the opposition leader for assistance and scholarship to attend the College of Agriculture, Science and Education.
I feel that I will make good use of it and that the persons who are going to sponsor me, I won't disappoint them.
And at the rate at which things are moving today, it's only a matter of time before Delano and his family receive a whole new house. Reporting from Springfield District in Guys Hill, St. Mary, I'm Cody Ann Barrett for TVJ News.